Big news coming in. TDP chief N. Chandrababu Naidu, Janasena chief Pawan Kalyan have reached the Raj Bhavan in Vijayawada to stake claim to form the government. Those are the big images that we see there. Chandrababu Naidu and Pawan Kalyan all set to stake claim to form the government with that thumping mandate that they've got. It's quite clear they are a stable government for the next 5 years. They've got great numbers. In fact, they come together as one unit in Andhra Pradesh. Pawan Kalyan's Janasena and TDP of Chandrababu Naidu both coming together have really formed a formidable force to form the government in Andhra Pradesh with a great mandate that they have. Chandrababu Naidu is all set to be swearing in as the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, and that's due to happen. The oath taking is due to happen tomorrow. But for now, we see Chandrababu Naidu has been unanimously elected as the leader of the House in Andhra Pradesh. In fact, we hear, has also, as part of this meeting, announced Amravati as the capital of Andhra Pradesh. Big words coming in, a big statement. That's been, of course, the ambition and the vision that Chandrababu Naidu has held and nurtured for quite some time now, ever since the bifurcation of United Andhra. At that point itself, Chandrababu Naidu has been focusing around developing Amravati as the new capital of Andhra Pradesh to ensure that he attracts big businesses and ensure the development of Amravati. At this point, at this meeting here, he's also announced Amravati to be the new capital for Andhra Pradesh. Let me cut across to all the reactions pouring in.
Mana Rajdhani, Amaravati, Amaravati Rajdhani, Visakhapatnam, ఆర్థిక రాజధానిగా ఒక ప్రత్యేకమైన సిటీగా ఆధునికమైన నగరంగా తయారు చేసుకుందాం. దాన్ని ఎప్పుడు కూడా నేను కంబైన్డ్ ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ కూడా గుర్తుపెట్టుకున్నాను. విశాఖపట్నం అటు జనసేనకు, తెలుగుదేశానికి, బీజేపీకి ముగ్గురు కూడా చాలా ముఖ్యమైన నగరం ఇది. ఆనాటి ముఖ్యమంత్రి విశాఖపట్నాన్ని రాజధానిగా చేస్తాను, ఎన్నికలవుతానే అక్కడే ప్రమాణ స్వీకారం చేస్తానంటే నువ్వు రావద్దు అని ప్రజా తీర్పిచ్చిన రాజధాని నగరం విశాఖ నగరం. అంటే ఎలాంటి టెంప్టేషన్ కూడా లొంగలేదు వాళ్ళు. ఇది ఒక అనుభూతి. విశాఖపట్నాన్ని మర్చిపోయే సమస్య లేదు. తగిన గుర్తింపు ఇస్తాం, అభివృద్ధి చేస్తాం.
చాలా క్లేమోర్ మైన్స్ పేలిపోతే జీప్ ఎగిరిపోయి కింద పడితే చొక్కా దులుపుకొని ఆయన మళ్లీ వచ్చి రాజకీయం చేసిన వ్యక్తి. ఈ రోజున సైబరాబాద్ ఉంది అంటే అది శ్రీ చంద్రబాబు నాయుడు గారి దార్శనికత. అలాంటి వ్యక్తి, ఆయన అనుభవం ఈ రోజున 2024 ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్కి ఎన్డీఏ కూటమి తరపు నుంచి ముఖ్యమంత్రి అభ్యర్థిగా శ్రీ నారా చంద్రబాబు నాయుడు గారి పేరుని జనసేన పార్టీ పక్షాన నుంచి మేము బలపరుస్తున్నాం.
What has been the response from the governor?
No, he assured us that following the due procedures, he would immediately call Shri Chandrababu Naidu ji to form the government, and we are waiting for that because, as you all know, once a governor calls, he has to decide on who would be the minister and which portfolio. Wherein the swearing-in would be taken tomorrow morning at around 11:30.
All NDA leaders are expected to come as well.
Largely, yes. We are also looking forward for that. Amit Shah ji is coming this evening, and Honorable Prime Minister is coming tomorrow morning, and we have a message from Eknath Shinde ji that he would be here. Yogi ji, we were expecting him, but because of some unforeseen problem, he had to stay back.
And ma'am, how are the seat sharing talks going on right now? We're seeing major berths for the BJP in Andhra Pradesh cabinet.
Well, the discussions on how many and which would be the berth would happen this evening. So we actually don't have any numbers to actually share with you right
What are the
away.
expectations from the Bharatiya Janata Party side?
No, we actually strongly believe that the focus should now be on good governance, and rather development should be given the utmost priority. So we are actually focusing on that. But who would be in the cabinet and which portfolio should be given would be later discussed. Thank you.
so much.
Thank you. Bye.
All right. We know Andhra Pradesh now. There's going to be a lot of haggling for who gets what cabinet berth. It's going to be interesting to see. Janasena of Pawan Kalyan is given how many cabinet berths. He's also vying for Deputy Chief Minister's post here. And we also know TDP's Chandrababu Naidu has many of their senior leaders that they want to accommodate in the cabinet. It's going to be really interesting to see who takes over for the top 10 portfolios that there are in the state at this point, because the TDP as a party has great say within the NDA alliance. They're also going to be granted a special financial aid package for Andhra Pradesh. A special status was asked, but that really hasn't materialized as a special status, but special financial aid package has been assured.
Ready? The leaders from the Telugu Desam, the Janasena and the Bharatiya Janata Party have just gone to meet with the governor there. Sir, you've given your official representation. That's what we'll take it.
We've given a copy of the resolution in which we have all proposed that Sri Nara Chandrababu Naidu Garu will be the leader of the NDA in Andhra Pradesh, and we requested the Honourable Governor to invite him to form the government.
And so what about the seat sharing talks? There's a lot of hype that Janasena will be getting a major chunk, at least 3 to 4 portfolios.
The discussions are on. I think by late this evening there will be a lot more clarity. Pawan Kalyan Garu and Chandrababu Naidu Garu are discussing on this. Hopefully by this evening everything will be sorted out.
So there's some lot of hopes from people asking if Mr. Pawan Kalyan and yourself will be, getting one of the ministerial posts, possibly Deputy Chief Minister for Pawan Kalyan.
No, this, like I told you, the discussions are elaborate and it will be in detail. Both the leaders are talking with each other. I'm sure it's not a question of what do we really sit down to talk only about the post. It's about how we share our responsibilities in governing the state. And part of that is definitely the ministerial cabinet that is going to be formed. So hopefully by this evening, by 6:30 or 7, I think there will be a lot more clarity. Thank you.
As a part of Janasena, would you want... that was Manohar there who spoke to us.
As we see now, Chandrababu Naidu and Pawan Kalyan, who have come together to form the government. They've staked claim for Andhra Pradesh. The next 5 years seems to be smooth sailing with the kind of mandate that they've got. Apurva joining us live from the epicenter where all the action's happening. Apurva, take us through the zeal with which the TDP and Janasena have come together to form the government, stake claim. All eyes now on the oath-taking ceremony tomorrow, and who gets what cabinet portfolio in the state.
Well, that's right, Nabila. It's going to be a quite interesting evening today. In fact, just a couple of minutes back, the all-party meeting of the NDA alliances here, be it Telugu Desam Party, the Janasena or the Bharatiya Janata Party, all of them were addressed by Nara Chandrababu Naidu, Pawan Kalyan and Purandeshwari there. They're all arrived here in Vijayawada, and they had also, seen Mr. Naidu there addressing the MLAs. All of the MLAs who have been elected under the NDA had arrived here, and that meeting had gone on, following which top leaders from all the 3 parties, including Purandeshwari, the Andhra Pradesh Bharatiya Janata Party's president, as well as Nandanila Manohar, who is senior leader from the Janasena Party, and Achan Naidu, the senior leader from Telugu Desam Party. All 3 of these dignitaries came here to Raj Bhavan, where we are at right now, and they are also met with the Andhra Pradesh governor there and had officially put in a request to stake claim to form government here in Andhra Pradesh. Tomorrow, remember, is the swearing-in ceremony of Nara Chandrababu Naidu. By this evening, we'll also likely get the list of who will be the cabinet members for the Andhra Pradesh cabinet. 25 ministries here for Andhra Pradesh, and it's going to be a tough decision-making time for all the 3 leaders, be it Pawan Kalyan, Mr. Naidu and Ms. Purandeshwari herself. So, we are seeing seat-sharing talks that are underway who are likely to get the major portfolios out of the 25. What we are hearing is that most likely, 3 to 4 seats will be given to Janasena and 2 to the Bharatiya Janata Party. This is what we are hearing. 19 for the Telugu Desam Party's cabinet there, as well as 3 to 4 seats for Janasena. Where also talks are going on, rumors going that most likely Pawan Kalyan will be getting a Deputy Chief Minister's post, but that is still to be confirmed by the Janasena as the meeting is still underway. Mr. Kalyan himself, in fact, just a while back, he did speak to us a couple of days back just after the victory, and he said there are a lot of plans in store for Andhra Pradesh. Slowly and decisively, we will do them all. That's what he had also shared with us in a conversation. So we're expecting that tomorrow at around 11:25, that's the auspicious time that has been given when Nara Chandrababu Naidu will be sworn in as the 4th time Chief Minister for Andhra Pradesh. Remember, this is, Nara Chandrababu Naidu had already talked about how the NDA alliance holds much predominance as well as confidence in their governance here in Andhra Pradesh. In fact, he had also addressing the cadres today ascertained, yet again reiterating that Amaravati will be the capital for Andhra Pradesh. Finally, after 10 long years of wait, Andhra Pradesh sees a new capital taking part in full-fledged, that is going to be Amaravati. He also mentioned about Visakhapatnam and Kurnool, saying all regions of Andhra Pradesh will be developed in a strong and a concise manner. That's the word that we're getting in from the party meet there. All eyes tomorrow on the swearing-in ceremony. Senior leaders from the NDA, including Prime Minister Modi, Amit Shah and Eknath Shinde, and several other leaders from the NDA alliance are also likely to be arriving here in Vijayawada in Amravati, where the oath-taking ceremony will be taking place. So all eyes are set on that crucial, swearing-in ceremony that is set to take place here tomorrow in Andhra Pradesh. Nabila.
And we're going to keep our spotlight on that as we see Chandrababu Naidu and Pawan Kalyan have reached the Raj Bhavan to stake claim. Tomorrow is the grand oath-taking ceremony. Thanks very much, Apurva, for bringing us that news.